Welcome back, chaps. Today on the Lake District, I'm heading to Sprinkling Tarn. It's not a solo, not with my mate Stu. Weather conditions, as you can see, a little bit claggy, windy, forecast for about 40 mile an hour. So we'll see how it goes. You'll all know this spot. As you can see, the clag's in, but we'll head up. Hopefully we'll be out the wind. Should be a canny calm night. We're just clambering through this uneven ground. There's no footpath currently where we are. We're going to Styhead Tarn. As you know, if you've been here before, it's like a bog. I'm alright with my boots on. As you can see, Stu with his barefoot shoes on, so he's like a ballerina. Now at the top, I'm just going to sweep round to the left. As you can see, the views are absolutely lovely. Stretcher box over there, great gable up there, green gable over there, but you cannot see them, and neither can I. Yeah, it's never stopped raining, which we don't mind, to be honest with you. We're just getting on with it. Just seeing another camper down there by cell. Don't think many people out on this nice lovely weathered Monday, but yeah, we're going to head on there in the direction of where Stu's going, up around and over Sprinkling Tarn. Me in, set up, and my sleeping bag getting warm. Got my mittens on. A few wet items, but it is what it is with the weather. Be nice and dry in the morning anyway, as I put with the clothing. Yeah, gonna have myself half an hour, get out, get some wind measurements, get a nice little bit of food on the go, and just have a nice relaxing night. Probably hear the winds there. Nothing for the Hilleberg, but yeah, I did want to test the Hilleberg as I've got the big Agnes Repeat XL. That fits in here absolutely lovely. The width is the same as the bottom. Plenty of room up here. Goes up here to the top. Nice bit of room at the top too. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I'd say there's definitely been a purchase for next winter. Well, I've been able to get some water, and yeah, it is nice out there. It's full clag all the way around here. There's no views, so the tent does exaggerate what it's like. Yeah, it's not pleasant. The forecast isn't great this weekend, no matter where. But we're enjoying it. We're wrapped up in the snug pack as usual. So I want to get some nice warm food on the go. Lovely and warm in here. Down jacket, down boots, and that as usual. Down pants. So nice little bit of warm food, some hot drinks.
Good morning. Well, it's currently 7 o'clock. I'm up now. First light's 7:30, so let's get myself sorted ready anyway. Good night's skip. The wind gusts are fairly picked up, over 50 mile an hour the gusts, but it's not too bad at the minute. The clag has slightly lifted a little bit, not too much, but in for maybe it's a little bit more of a view as a smaller. I'll give myself a hot chocolate on. A nice little bit of breakfast, just have a nice slow pack down, and then it'll be a steady back down to the tent and away back down.
Well, hot chocolate went down lovely, so time to pack up. I'll be down pants there, get all the other little bits away, and then give the okay to stew, and then tents down the way. See what the wind's like when we get out there. Obviously it's exaggerated further than the tent, but we'll see what it's like. 34 we got yesterday, but last night it's been really bad with gusts. All packed away, as you can see, leave no trace, a nice clean patch. Bit better of views today, means Stu didn't even sample any beers last night. Yeah, absolutely lovely up here. But I want my way now. I think Stu regrets putting his barefoot trainers on, but anyhow, it's all part of the journey, isn't it? Well, that's us on the main track, back down to the van, got a Seathwaite. Quite a steep little drop off here, follow the river down to the van down the bottom in the valley. The wind hasn't been too bad, it's just picked up a little bit there, but this morning's lovely, nice up here, bit of rolling cloud coming over, not too bad, but yeah, not a bad night overall. Hilleberg's did the job very well. Looks like I'm going to be purchasing a black label. Big thanks to Stu for borrowing us his. Didn't even budge. Them gusts must have been 50 mile an hour easily. It was 35 when we got there. It was nothing like that, and it didn't even budge. So yeah, great tent, soulo black label. But yeah, the rain stopped anyway last night towards this morning, so it made things a lot easier for packing up. So not too much to dry out. Left no trace as usual, and had a great one. Sometimes you can't pick the weather, sometimes you just gotta get on with it, but always be prepared. Waterproofs, as I've got on now, and my pants. Should carry all times, is what I always say. Yeah, always come prepared. Yeah, it isn't nice and sunny as people always like it to be, but I don't mind experiencing some bad weather. I just don't like getting set up in the rain. But if you like what you're seeing, give it a like. If you haven't already, give it a subscribe. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one.